My name is Kat O'Connor and I teach children in Year 1.
That's right.
LeapStart offers children such a variety of curriculum topics. So not only does it cover the core ones that we're interested in, like the English and the maths, but also an array of the science curriculum, geography, computing.
ROGA.
LeapStart definitely complements the learning techniques that I use in the classroom because I'm all about them sharing resources, taking turns and learning together, and that's what LeapStart really provides an opportunity to build upon. My favourite thing about LeapStart is that the children love it and it really manages to draw them in
Africa is the second largest continent in the world.
because then they continue to love learning.